force myself. I didn't feel very well yesterday, y'all, but I had to force myself to get out the house. I said, get up and move. You got a little energy, move. Now look at all of this. Look at all of this. I should have stayed in the house. I should have stayed in the house. I knew it was gonna rain today, but I didn't have it out there. I didn't know that I was gonna see Noah up ahead in the ark. Yes, Lord. Well, I'm walking in the rain and enjoying it, even though it's extremely wet. And a man in a truck slid up next to me and splashed me up and down. And I'm getting the exercise I'm supposed to get. So I guess I should be happy about that. God will bless me.